Hello guys, I have a new co-host. Her name is Rosie. Rosie, say hi to the people. Hi people. And Rosie is going to help me unbox. Are you ready? Get set. Boxycharm! Thank you, Rosie, for that presentation. So everybody give Rosie a round of applause. All right. Thank you, Rosie. Okay, long time no see, people. I just got my Boxycharm in the mail. We're gonna do a quick unboxing. Let's get started. All right, let's see here. So, looks like Boxycharm gave us wonderful coupons for Tarte and Dr. Brandt VIP offer. You all can see that. Yes. So, people, today is called Eye Candy. The first thing we're going to look at in our box is vacuum cleaner. It's a pore purifying mask. Ooh. And if you all can see, my face is breaking out horrible, so I probably might be needing to use this mask tonight. Like right now. Like I might just do it just as soon as I get done with this video. Okay, so this is priced at, guess what, guys? 47 bucks. Paid $22 for this whole thing. $47. Okay. Next, this is called the Tarte Glow. It is a liquid highlighter. Ooh. Now, the last few boxes, I had one of the highlighters. Oh my God, I loved it. It had beautiful blue and purple. I've never purchased or had a liquid highlighter. So let's see what this is. So it comes out this color. And let's just smooth it all in. Let's see how it looks. Okay, if you can see that, let me see. Better lighting. You can see that highlight. Really nice. I really liked it. It smells pretty good. Okay, next up is, the highlighter. The highlighter is priced at $29. So if you want to get this is going to be 29 bucks. Okay, next is going to be, liquid lipstick. Liquid lipstick is 20. No, that's the project. Liquid lipstick is $24. I hope they gave me a nice color. You know, a gal that has this, caramel skin. We need beautiful lips. I don't like the ashy looking colors. I just want something to give me a little, Let's see. Let's go real quick. Okay, this is nice. I love these kind of colors. Let's look and see how it looks on these lips of mine. Ooh. So it's kind of, it smells good too. Like a little gloss. Yes. How you doing? Love it. So, beautiful. Okay, next. Ooh, the brow gel for these brows. As y'all can see, I definitely need to do my own brows. They look a mess. Okay, this brow gel is $22. Okay, and last but not least, you know that Boxycharm comes through with the makeup palette. Oh my God. Look what we have. Okay, this is actually by ColourPop. This is retailed at $26. And it's supposed to have soft colors. So nothing too dramatic. Let's see. It's called Golden State of Mind. Let's see. Y'all ready? We're gonna open. I'm gonna let y'all look at it first. Oh my gosh. These are so beautiful. Let's see here. Hold on, Boxycharm. What's this? Oh no, my thing fell out. Oh god. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. Anyhow, don't look at that, but look at these beautiful colors. I'm gonna bring y'all down because I don't want to bring that up. I want them to fall out. Look at this pretty blue. I love this. Look at that. I love this. Oh, these are so pretty. Let's see how it looks on my skin. So let's see what this color looks like. Oh, wow, that's really pretty. Then we'll put a little golden sandy. This is really, really pretty. Oh my god, and I gotta fix this. Well, we'll do that later. Okay, you guys, I'm so happy about this box. I give this box a 10. Thank you, Boxycharm. Awesome job. If you've never subscribed to Boxycharm and you want to try it out, I'm going to put my code at the bottom. You want to go ahead and select that down there and give it a try. It's cheap. It's affordable. You get high-end products. Why not? What else do you have to lose? You want to go to Walmart and use $2 makeup and make your skin break out? Come on. All right, you guys, have a wonderful night. Love you guys. Mwah.